Hello everyone and welcome to Excel Tutorials Online.com. In today's tutorial, we are going to go over how to enter data into Excel. There are various different ways we could use to enter data into our spreadsheets. One way is to type the data directly into the cell using our keyboard. So let's say we wanted to type the number 100 into cell B1. We would first select cell B1, we would type the number 100, followed by the Enter key to save that number to the cell. We could also use the formula bar to enter our data into our spreadsheets. So let's say we wanted to enter the number 200 into cell D1. We would select cell D1, we would select the formula bar, and we would enter the number 200 followed by the Enter key on our keyboard to save that value to the cell. A third option is to use copy and paste so that we could copy from one cell to another. To do this, we would select the cell that we would like to be copied. We would right-click on the cell, copy it, or we could hit Control C as the shortcut, and then we would select the cells where we want this information to be copied into. Then we would hit right-click and paste, or Control V shortcut to paste. A fourth option is to use Excel's Autofill option. So to do this, we would select the cells that we would like to copy, and then we would get a handle on those cells. See, so when you see that little plus icon, you would left click or select using our mouse, and then we would drag to the adjacent cells. Now this only works on adjacent cells. And let go. So let's do that again. We would select the cells that we would like to be copied, and we would get that handle. We see we have the handle once we see that little plus sign, and we would drag to the adjacent cells. Okay. A fourth option, or a fifth option, is to import data into our spreadsheets from external files. And this we would discuss in a totally different tutorial when we would discuss importing data from external files. Now this concludes part 1 of this tutorial. Now there are certain things that we should think about when we start entering data into Excel. We need to think about the formatting of the cells, and we also need to think about how our data is presented. And this we will discuss in part 2 of this tutorial. So I will see you in the next tutorial. If you like what you've heard, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.